us to look on page 381 at example 2. This is a word problem. Camera cars. A crane sits at the top of a camera car and faces toward the front. The crane's maximum height and minimum height above the ground are shown. And if you look in your books, you see that the minimum height is 4 feet and the maximum height is 18 feet. Write and graph a compound linear inequality that describes the possible heights of the crane. So we're going to let H represent the height here. So that would be everything that is representing height. We also know that the lowest height is 4, but it can be lowered to 4. So therefore, H is going to be greater than or equal to 4. The maximum height is 18, but it also can be raised to 18. So therefore, the height is going to be less than or equal to 18. And then we simply just graph it. And we're going to use filled in circles because it's less than or equal to. Now, let's look at how we solve compound linear inequalities. Notice here we have that x plus 5 is greater than 2, but less than 9. The easiest way to solve this is to look at it as two inequality equations. First of all, cover up the less than 9 here. So we have 2 is less than x plus 5. Subtract your 5 from both sides, and now we have x is greater than 3. Now we're going to come to the other side and do the same thing, except with x plus 5 is less than 9. We're going to subtract the 5 from both sides, and now we have x is less than 4. Now I'm going to bring the two statements together as a compound inequality. X is greater than negative 3, but x is less than 4. Now it's very easy to make a mistake. Be sure your signs are the same whenever you transfer them over. And then we're going to graph it. Because x is just less than and just greater than, it's going to be open circles. And our solution will be everything in between. Now go ahead and try the guided practice on this page.